Hello everyone. So you would like to know how to make disappear this search option here below in the taskbar or this bar below. You want to hide this search or just change it. How to do it? It is pretty easy. All you have to do is to go on an empty space in your taskbar or this bar below and go here in the settings option where there is this settings icon. Click on it. Once you do it, you will have this window. I'm not showing the full window because it is showing my email and I'd like it to remain private. But what you need is here. It is search, and here we can manage our options. For example, I would like to hide it completely. So in Italian it's here, nascondi, or hide in English. You can also have other options. In this case, I just want to completely hide this search bar. Let's do it. Hide. And it is now gone. And we can now continue to use our Windows 11 without the search. So this is everything for this video. I hope you liked it. Leave a like, subscribe, and see you next time.